Hello guys, review smartphone TECNO POVA 4 version 8GB memory and 128GB Intel memory. Okay, look complementation. In complementation we have protected back cover, adapter for charging, Type-C cable and headphones. Okay. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side, double camera LED. On the front side, display 6.8 inch. On this side, power key, warm keys. Back side, camera, only camera. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On this side, power key with a fingerprint scanner and all buttons. Downside, Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device, we have HD plus display, IPS 90 Hz. Open Geekbench 5, we have Android 12, CPU Helio G99, octa-core processor, 6 plus 2 cores, and GPU Mali G57MC2. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Good results, look AnTuTu benchmark score, good AnTuTu benchmark score, okay, and run the Mali game. GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas works on the max graphic level. And works good, without lags and glitches. Okay. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.